Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day, because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So we are here with a massive headline: Shiba Inu L2 network Shibarium set to welcome trading bots. Remember, Shibarium is on the way. It's so close, and this could actually give us an indication of its proximity, of how close it is, and that is what we need. Remember, once Shibarium comes out, we've got all our portfolios absolutely skyrocketing, and a life-changing returns will be seen. Okay, but it's also important to understand what is going to be going on. What are these trading bots? How are they even going to work? Let's just dive deep into this, and then I'll give you a full analysis. Please listen up, okay, because this is very interesting. Now, trading bots. So these bots will especially be used for Shiba Inu proponents and other investors who seek to automate their trading activities on Shibarium. Shibarium might be welcoming trading bots when it launches on the mainnet, as NowNodes, a blockchain node infrastructure provider, recently provided a guide on how investors can build a custom trading bot on the network. As disclosed in a recent tweet, the tutorial was a response to the demand of the majority of the community in a Telegram chat who had voted for a guide on trading bots. Okay, so here we have it. We asked our community in Telegram chat, what next? Shibarium guide you'd like to see next. Majority voted for a trading bot. Now, NowNodes indicated that the custom trading bots built from the guide would have restricted functionality to minimize trading risks. However, investors can modify them at their discretion to enhance capabilities. The tutorial first explains how to define a trading strategy by setting a threshold price and specifying the notifications that the user wishes to receive. It then explains how to install the tools and libraries required to build the trading bot. These tools include Python 3.11.3, a Telegram bot to receive notifications, Ethereum node, and WebSocket access, and Node.js to work with Shibarium beta. The guide then provides a script for installing the required libraries and reminds users to obtain an API key from NowNodes to extract data. The tutorial further details the process of importing data and retrieving prices using a script. It highlights two options for obtaining token price data on Shibarium via DEX or an Oracle. Users can opt for the method, but they deem most reliable. Subsequently, the guide walks users through constructing the bot's logic with Python, elaborates on how to create a loop to monitor prices and transmit notifications to the user's Telegram bot. NowNodes underscored the significance of the stage, stressing that it determines the bot's framework. So, most important question now: why this is important? So this guide is coming barely 2 weeks after NowNodes published a tutorial on how users can build on Shibarium and further increase adoption. A previously reported by Crypto Basic, NowNodes declared its intentions to support Shibarium as node provider in February. The trading bot guide is another way of supporting the community. Trading bots can assist traders by offering numerous advantages, including automation of trades and reduced emotional decision making. Their inclusion in Shibarium can help attract investors who seek to automate trades, bolstering adoption. Trade automation has become increasingly popular among investors who wish to hedge against emotional decision making. Recently, BINANCE added support for Shiba Inu on its Auto Invest service to allow SHIB investors to automate investments in the asset. So it looks like, Shibarium is genuinely there to offer a lot, okay? And everything, okay, is trying to get itself included on Shibarium, which, gives investors a lot of options. I mean, just like, the trading bots, which can automate trades. Guys, this stuff is very, very important, okay? Because this gives people more access, more reason to invest using Shibarium. within the ecosystem. I mean, this is the type of stuff that we want to see. This is why Shibarium is so special, so different to everything else, just because it gives you such a large magnitude, you know, so many areas, so many corners, everything. You can really dive deep into it and figure it out how things work out. Very exciting stuff, undoubtedly, and I love it. I absolutely love it. All the time it's welcoming new things. We've got new projects waiting to build on it. This is too big to miss out on. And those that, you know, said that Shibarium is a scammers are absolute fudders, okay? Because every day we're getting new news, we're getting new support that will be you know, placed on this layer 2 solution. So why miss out? And we've got massive army behind it. Can you imagine what this could be doing to your bone price, your Shiba Inu price, leash? Greatness. That's what it's going to do, and you have to be realistic about everything. Guys, please understand that these type of layer 2 solutions don't come along that often. This type of support from such big names, you know, big entities, enterprises, projects, call them whatever you want, does not happen that often. So if it does, it is for reasons, because they want and they believe in this blockchain. They want to build on it. They want to literally put, you know, their lives on the line and trust it with everything they have. So seeing something like, you know, trading bots being welcomed, I mean, that is great stuff. So many you know, out there, people, investors, institutions, whales use trading bots. So also, you know, great stuff. That will create more transactions. Those transactions will lead to more bone being used as gas fee, which increases the price, demand, also for Shiba Inu, helping with the burns, okay, helping reach the 1 cent. So these are the type of advantages that we want to see and that we will be seeing very soon. So you better get prepared, okay, because these type of you know, little announcements actually make a big difference. Guys, the moment we see, for example, trading bots, that's only gonna create a catalyst for other trading bots to join in, okay? Moment we see Shibarium getting some support from another type of project, another type of field, we'll see more support from there. So it's all a dominoes effect. They're all linked. They're all trying to connect the dots, and that is why we're so close. I know right now we're in beta, we're testing things out. I know some prices not as high as you would love them to be, but this is also an opportunity for you to load up. Don't forget, in every single thing that you think it is a disadvantage, actually there might be an advantage in it, okay? So stop worrying, stop panicking, and really see the big picture of things. That's exactly what I want from you, okay, from the whole community. So let's make this happen. Let's be strong. Let's keep pushing. Let's forget about all the FUD, the crap that revolves or, you know, surrounds the ecosystem at times, okay? Forget about that. Guys, look at it. Shibarium is still is yet to come out. So if it still hasn't come out, we haven't even seen close, even 1% of what the potential is, okay? And the potential is very high. We have nothing to lose, guys, nothing to lose with Shibarium is only going to catapult everything, okay? Right now they're getting everything, all the pieces sorted, making it perfect, and from then on we can make it happen, okay? So let's see how far this takes us. Everyone's got their own target. We've got Bone $100, Leash $10,000, Shiba Inu 1 cent. So all these targets will hopefully be met, okay, after post Shibarium era. I mean, obviously it could take some time, but at least it will be on the route, okay, and it will be going way faster from then on. So as of now, if you have any thoughts, leave them down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think about, you know, trading bots being welcomed on the L2 network Shibarium. Does that mean that this is a serious network, that we should all take it seriously? This is no joke. And also turn your notifications bell on, okay? Hit that subscribe button. I want you to be part of this, okay? So stop messing around, guys. You know, pay attention to things. These are the crucial moments. So have that notifications bell on, because I'm going to be producing a lot of videos every day, especially now when, you know, the estimates are that Shibarium could be very, very close. So as usual, guys, a big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.